Okay, fam, I'm at Lidl. They have some deals going on. It's Wednesday, November, what is this, 15th. So they have some turkeys for 49 cents a pound, sweet potatoes 39 cents a pound, and they have like, let's see, regular potatoes for $2.49. So I'm gonna see how things look. I normally like Lidl stuff, and you have to get there the first day pretty much to get the good deals, to get the freshest stuff. So let's see what's going on. And this is for some of my younger people saying that, you know, Thanksgiving is too expensive, but you have to shop the deals. You have to seek them out. You have apps for everything else. Get your apps for your food, because you know we have to eat 3 times a day for the rest of your life at least. So that's for my younger people. And instead of watching Instagram and TikTok and watching all those people dance and carrying on, which is fun, take 30-40 minutes out of your week and scour the ads, because I don't want you guys going back home to your mama. I don't want you being evicted. A lot of people being evicted around me. They losing their cars, and it's all about this nickel and diamond stuff. You know, Starbucks don't care about you. They too high. I like them too, but not every day. Okay, so let's go in here and see what's going on. Family, I just made it back from Lidl, and I got an entire Thanksgiving dinner for $17.02 in 2023. Now, a couple years ago, I was able to get all of this for $10, but this is the best I could do. I get people in my comments stating that, you know, you can't get a good Thanksgiving dinner for under $50, and that, you know, I'm not being honest. And this is how I shop. This is how I shop. I don't, and they say, well, what are you doing creating budget meals, and you know, you work out of a gourmet kitchen? It was like, it's because both my husband and I have been very responsible with the jobs and the money God has blessed us with, that I'm able to maintain. You see a lot of people, they're able to get stuff, but can they maintain it for a long time? Maintaining stuff by working day in and day out. And I'm not on food stamps, so that means I have to really budget. Because I had another comment saying, well, you know, I'm on food stamps, I don't worry about prices. And I'm like, that's cool, and food stamps is a great resource, but you know, I still think you should be a good steward of what the blessings that you have. So this is just me. So this is how, you know, so I got 2 bags. I had 2 of these bags full of stuff. This is for Thanksgiving. Now, and I was also shopping for 2 other people on this trip. but this is mine. Okay, this is for my household. So you get 2 lemons, slice them up nicely. That's for my iced tea. So you don't be worrying about buying sodas and all that. You got some tea bags. Brew some tea bags or get some packs of Kool-Aid. But we're gonna have iced tea, sweet tea. Got a little bag, these are little bags. They call premium petites. These were probably, I don't even know how much these are. I can't read this, okay. And then sweet potatoes were 39 cents per pound. This right here can make probably 2 pies, just this. And then if you wanna have some like a souffle or candy, casserole, you can use 2 more. You can use all 4 and just make a casserole. Okay, then regular russet potatoes, 5-pound bag, $2.49. Whole, this is a 10-pound turkey. It was almost 11 pounds. And these were 49 cents per pound. So my turkey came up to like $7 and something, $7 and some change. I saved $8.79 on this turkey. Let me tell you, like the original price was $14.07. They knocked off $8.79 or whatever that is. I'm not good at math. Okay, then get some brown gravy mix. That's if you need to. These were 25 cents each. This is 50 cents right here. I don't know how much this got this little cranberry sauce. You're just gonna have a little bit. And then these were 50 cents each, 49 cents each. So I got 3 things of corn. You get 6 for $3, I think, or something like that. We got corn, we got green beans. Now you see all these carbs here? You will be stuffed. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, turkey, you got corn, green beans, and then we have stuffing. These are 50 cents a box. So, and I got these because this can avoid you, you don't have to get, butter is nice. I keep butter and all that in my pantry, but you can use this as is. So you don't have to buy, a whole bunch of unnecessary things. It's already seasoned. Let's see, so I got 2 of these, 50 cents, that's $1. And then a dozen eggs, $1.25. So you can do some appetizers. You can take 6 of these eggs, make 12 deviled eggs. The other ones, you can, save for breakfast. You can stretch this stuff out. And 4 people can eat off of this nicely and with leftovers, okay? And you can whip these potatoes up, make an apple crisp, or you can cut these in half or hollow them out and put the apple crisp stuffing inside the apple and bake them, and everybody can have their own apple. Have a couple of these. Okay, so this is for my people that say you can't have a traditional Thanksgiving dinner with turkey for under $20. They said it can't be done. Yes, it can. I mean, you're not going to be able to feed 20 people. 3 other people can have a nice time with you. And I didn't think of this, but because I bake, I keep flour and yeast. I can make my own yeast rolls, make my own pie dough if I want to make a pie. So that's already, plus since we only spent $17, you can go to Dollar Tree. You can get rolls for like 98 cents. So it's still in the budget for you to get rolls, and if there's anything else you want, it's still in the budget. Still in the budget to get a 2-liter if you want soda, 2-liter ginger ale. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I walked out with 2 bags just for stuff for me, for Thanksgiving, not for me, for my household. And okay, so just wanted to share that with you guys. Want to thank you so much for tuning in. We're all about living tastefully for less, and you can live a tasteful life on less. I'm here to tell you, I'm a living witness. All right, and my tip of the day is you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. See you guys. Thank you. Bye, Mom.